So now that you have this over here, you're just going to simply click on this one, press the C key, and go ahead and select everybody over here. All these 4 plus this guy over here. Okay. Now we're going to do W 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the reason we did that is to just bring it in a little bit over here. Okay. And I'm going to do tab to go into the mode over here. So where this curvature is, you see for the pack muscle, we simply want to select this one over here, this guy, this, one over here, and then going down this pattern, you want to select it this way over here. Okay. And you're going to go to the right one time like this. Okay. Now over here, we're going to press the R key, then you're going to press the Z key on the Z axis. You're just going to simply go 1 up, move the mouse up, 1, 2, 3. Okay. And again, this is just bringing this area out. These are again just simple landmarks that we need that we're going to manipulate a little later. Now press the tab key to go back into your edit mode. Just right click on over here. So it's going to select this vertex over here. So go into your front view and you're going to go up 1 time. Then just right click this. It's going to select this vertex over here. Move it to the right 1, 2. And now you're going to come down 1 time. Okay. Okay, so now what we need to do is attach the neck to the body, right? Basically the head to the body. And you can see that what we're dealing with are 2 different resolutions over here, right? You can see that when we did the edge loops, we have higher resolution for the ear, but a little more lower resolution or edge loops to define the head. But when we come to the body, you can see that we don't have the same number of edges going. So how can we attach something like this? So here I'm just going to show you, there's several ways of doing this, but we're going to do this the easiest way, which is right click this. Oh, I'm sorry, you do Alt and right click. You do deselect Alt and right click this. So it simply selects this top area here for the head and stay in your front view. And you're going to zoom in so you get the smaller grids here. And you're just going to pull it up 1, 2, 3. You can do 4 over here, okay? And then A to deselect. And then do Control 1 to go into your back view. So what we're going to do is zoom in a little bit. We're going to click on this one, Shift key down, click on this one, click this one, click this one, and do F, the letter F. And what's going to do, it's going to create a face over here. Now, if you deselect this, you can see actually what's going on. You might have to do wireframe to understand this. But you can simply put this on if you can handle it, meaning that you don't get confused by this. So you can see that this is a vertex here, this is one, this one, and then go ahead and select this one. So you should have them 4 selected. Press F over here. Okay. So now you're going to get this vertex, this vertex. You can see that it's bending like this, right? It does that because it's just trying to show it to you this way, but you can always click this to see what's going on. You're simply selecting these 2 and you select these 2, right? But when you click on this, it looks a little confusing. Anyway, I'm going to click on F to connect these 2. We're going to do right click this one, this one, this one, and then this one. Do F. I'm going to click on this one, this one, this one, this one, and then F. Rotate it a little bit. This one, this one, this one, and then this one over here. Do F. And then we're going to click on this one, this one, this one, this one, and F. Over here, go ahead and select same thing. These 4 guys over here, do F, and then finally 1, 2, 3, 4, and F. Okay, and just go to your right view over here. So what we want to do is go ahead and click on the edges over here, and then right click this edge, do Alt, and go ahead and click on this, Shift key down, right click this one, and just do your middle mouse button to rotate and get this one. Right, I'm simply selecting this entire edge loop over here, just like this. It needs to be all selected. So if you do the Z key, you can see I'm simply going around the entire neck. I'm going to do X, I'm going to do dissolve edges. So you see what that does, it simply takes that away and now attaches the neck over here. So what we can do is now click on the face select mode, go to your right view, And I do the C key, circle select, and just go ahead and select everybody over here. Okay, and I'm going to do middle mouse button to rotate, press C over here. So we've got this entire thing selected, and I'm going to do W and smooth 1, 2, and then 3. If I do tab, you can see that we've now connected the neck over here for now. Okay. And A to D select. So now I'm just going to come over here. I'm going to show you that if you click on these two, you do Control A, you can manipulate as to how this rotates, right? We're not going to rotate that, just showing you what that does. Okay. And you can simply move things around if you wanted to. Okay. So what I want you to notice, I'm not actually rotating anything. I'm just showing you something over here. I want you to take a look at this one. Okay. I'm going to click on this one and this one. Notice what happens when I do Control A, because I'm rotating. Remember, Control A. So that one that was here is now here. Now if I do Control A, that one over here is now here. So basically, it's like you're swinging it around. Okay. So we're going to touch this stuff later. Remember, I didn't rotate anything. I'm just leaving everything be over here. And now let's go ahead and just smooth this area out a little bit. I'm going to do W, smooth 1, 2, 3. And tab over here. And this will just smooth everything out for us over here. Do tab and come over here. Go ahead and select on these. Go to your right view. And here I'm just going to bring it out 1, 2. Then W, 1, and 2, and 3. A to D select. Okay, we're going to manipulate all this stuff later. So what we have to do now is go to the back, do Control 1. We need to correct this area over here, which we haven't done yet. Go to your vertex select mode. Now come over here. So you're going to get the buttocks or buttocks area over here. You're going to click on these two. You're going to do 1 and then 2, 2. Only bring it 2 times down like this. Click on this one and this one. You're going to go to your right view and you're going to press Z and you're going to come out 1 and then 2 over here and then rotate 1, 2, 3, 4, around 4. And here I'm just going to bring it out one more time and press Z. Just see what we're doing. And now go do Control 1 over here. Now take it to the right and just take it where it touches it and now go to the left 1 time like this. Same thing over here. Click on this, go to the right, touch it, and then bring it out 1 and then 2. So right over here, right where this was selected, you're just going to select these 4 guys over here. I'm going to do 1 and then 2 to bring it in. If I do tab, you can see that we're just getting this area defined for later. Okay. So again, these are all landmarks. So I'm going to do 1 and Control 1 to stay over here. So here you see that you have this edge over here. I just want you to move your mouse right over here. Now do 1, 2, 3. So you'll get 4 of these selected. Go to your right view, zoom in just a little bit and do 1 and then 2, W and then smooth over here. So now if we take a look at what we've done is we basically made it more realistic than it was, right? And this is again is the concept of 3D modeling where you take the basic shape and then you come in and start to add more details. Now this is going to look much better a little later because we really haven't manipulated the rotation of the edge loops in any of this. What I mean by this is if I click on tab, you can see that everything's just checkered, and that's not what we want. We want it to behave just like we did here on the face, right? We want it to follow the topology of the muscle structure, and that's what we're going to be doing later as we move through this course. Anyways, let's do tab and let's go ahead and go into the rendered mode over here and click on the lights to bring it up a little bit. Now if you go 1, you can see that what we're doing is getting a more and more realistic figure over here. So I'm just going to look at it from the back. So let's go ahead and go into solid mode over here, go to 1. And what I want to do is click on this guy, right click this so you can see I'm selected. I'm going to go ahead and press on the tab key to go into edit mode. And what we want to do is scale this. Okay, so we're going to click on the local axis. So if you do local, it shows you that because you have rotated, you can scale this on the Y axis over here. Remember, the green is the Y. If I do scale and then on the Y axis, I have to press Y 2 times. You'll see that it now lets me scale this on the y-axis over here. And now I can also just select this y-axis and make it go down like this. Okay. So if I'm going to do Control Z all that just to show you. So I'm going to press the S key and the Y 2 times, and I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20. So I did it about 20. Now I'm going to move it down. Basically, I want it to be where this is. Okay, so I'm going to bring it down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'll do 6 over here. Okay, so we can do the same thing. Just do Tab and do the same thing on this. Right click this one, do Tab, and we're going to scale this on the y-axis. To press the S key, press Y 2 times, 1, 2. We're going to do 1, 2. Scale on the y-axis 2 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. About 20. Doesn't have to be that exact. Right? And now just move it down so it just matches basically this guy over here. So now if we go into render, you'll see that the light is now going to get, it's going to light up the figure a little more over here. It's going to get a little brighter. And you can, of course, at any time, click on this material and increase it or decrease it, right? And this will just allow us to see some things over here that we're doing. And later we'll manipulate that later. Okay, anyways, let's go ahead and, okay, where we are over here. I'm going to go back into solid view. I'm going to go ahead and turn these off, click on the figure. I'm going to do Shift C to make sure that the cursor is in the center. Just zoom in, do Control middle mouse button, and I'm just going to scale it in so we can see. So I'm going to do File. I'm going to save this as Lesson 7. So File, Save As, and Lesson 7, Save. Okay. So I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.